How are we, YouTube? George here. Hope you're all well. And we have here Troy's 148 GTL DDS. So this has one of our Ray's boards in it, Rayzor Radios from Australia, and one of Brad's decals. It turned out quite nice. A couple of little marks on the bezel and stuff, but it's a Taiwan side mic GTL, one of the best of them to have. Early enough, early 80s anyway. So came here, we went through it all, tidied it up, and we got the DDS board in there, and the usual secret sauce on the cases, all new screws, stainless of course, and we have them in the every screw in it's been changed out for stainless ones, and done the knobs, ran them through the ultrasonic cleaner, redone the orange lines on them, so quite pleased with it. It came out very well, and I'll pop it open now and show you the DDS install. So there's the DDS board inside, and just change that frame right there. Nice neat install, couple of little brackets there, solidly mounted onto the chassis. All your different cables then for your encoder and your OLED screen and all that stuff, so it's a neat enough install in there, goes in handy enough, and injected into where the output of the old VCI used to be. So yeah, it's quite neat, and quite pleased with how that came out. So we'll get the lid back on now, and we'll run it through the dummy load and whatnot and see how it works. We might see, can we listen to a bit of stuff on it. Okay, hang on. Right, so we have it back together, and we're on the dummy load here, and we're on AM. 1 2 3 4, hello, 1 2. I go sideband. 1 2 3 4, 1 2. I'm just using a standard coffin mic, nothing fancy. Lower sideband. 1 2. So we go AM. See what she sounds like. 1 1. Lower volume. 1 2 1 2 1 2. Check 1 2 3 4. Hello radio. 1 2 1 2. Audio. Check check. Sideband. 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 4. Hello. 1 2 3 4 5. Check check. 1 2 3 4 5. Hello radio. 1 2 3 4 5. Hello hello. Right, so I'll put it back onto the antenna now and see what happens. Right, so it is very quiet today. Not a whole pile going on, so I'm just gonna try how this works. Okay, so basically the only thing that you're really using now is your volume, your squelch, RF gain. That still works. No, RF gain is the inside one. So this is, as it was, your band switch, or mode switch, sorry. Voice lock, you don't use that anymore. Dynamic, that's stock. This is all stock. Disconnected that. Tone is as it should be, and this doesn't do anything because you removed the original channel selector and all that carry on, so that bright dim's all disconnected. So we have a white face meter in there with a LED in it, and then you have your OLED screen. So you do everything through here. So if you want to move the cursor, you press it once, you move it to wherever you want to put it, and then you just press it again. So you just have to be gentle with it, you know, don't be wrenching it around, like, just nice and handy. So I have this set to go from 26 to 28. So there is 26. There's 28. Now, wherever you are on the radio, if you press this twice, it'll bring you back to there, which I have set as the home. And it's in memory channels there now. Right, so we're back now to where we should be. So let's just try that again. Yep, so there you go. Wherever you are on the radio, like I said, just 2 taps. That'll bring you back. Now, you can go in, there's a menu that you can go into. Press it 4 times, it brings you into the menu. But you don't really have any business in here. You can edit your memories and stuff like that. Change your frequency range, but you really don't need to be in here. So other than that, you do everything through here. So rather than using your clarifier, you just go here. So there is not much happening today. Just the way it goes. What was I saying? Yeah. So you can go in here right to the end. It's like your VFO, you know, if you're dialing someone in if they're a little off. Very fine control. But generally what I do is I just leave it there. See, is there anything going on down in 26? Oh! And again, 2 taps brings you back there. So all in all, it turned out pretty well. So as I said, turned out pretty well. Pity there's not much going on today. But it's just the way it goes sometimes. So I hope you enjoy it, Troy, and we'll leave it here, and we'll get you again in the next one. 73 and all the best. Bye bye.